Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial from my channel Advanced Biology. Today we will discuss about a new information, that is the approval of COVID-19 vaccine for the juniors in India. To know various interesting aspects and updates on biology, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification on newly released video. Why is COVID-19 vaccine is so important? COVID-19 is still ravaging the world. As winter comes, the rate of infection is rising. But the world is exhausted with months of compulsory mask wearing, social distancing, curfews and lockdowns. Till the day of this video tutorial, it has resulted the deaths of over 1.9 million people worldwide. A vaccine is now the most powerful weapon to curb the disease. When you get vaccinated, you are protecting yourself and helping to protect the whole community. When enough people in the community are vaccinated, it slows down the spread of disease. Achieving the herd immunity is a long-term goal. It usually requires a large amount of the population to be vaccinated. Now, we will give our attention on COVID-19 vaccines in India. Till date, 6 vaccines have been approved in India. Number 1, Covaxin, prepared by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with the Indian Council of Medical Research, that is ICMR, and National Institute of Virology, NIV. Covaxin is an inactivated vaccine, which means that it is made up of killed coronaviruses. The gap between two doses of the Covaxin is 28 days. Second one is the Covishield, prepared by Serum Institute of India, and it was formulated by Oxford University and a British pharmaceutical company, AstraZeneca. Covishield vaccine was made from a weakened version of a common cold virus known as an adenovirus, isolated from chimpanzee. Its second dose is administered 12 to 16 weeks after the first dose. Both of these, Covishield and Covaxin, were approved in India in January 2021. Sputnik V or Sputnik vaccine, prepared by Russia's Gamaleya Institute located in Moscow. This was the third vaccine approved in India, and it was approved in India on 12th April 2021. The vaccine is made up of an engineered adenovirus which can generate SARS-CoV-2 spike protein into human cells after immunization. But this vaccine uses different adenoviruses called RAD26 and RAD5 as the first and second doses respectively, which are given 21 days gap. The fourth vaccine is Moderna, prepared by US Food and Drug Administration, approved as an emergency use authorization. The Moderna vaccine has been approved for emergency use also by the Indian government in June 29, 2021. The Moderna COVID-19 vaccine is an mRNA vaccine that requires 2 shots 21 days apart. The fifth vaccine is Johnson & Johnson's, also authorized by US FDA for emergency use. This is the first single shot vaccine in fight against global pandemic. The scientists behind the Johnson & Johnson vaccine added the gene for the coronavirus's signature spike protein to an adenovirus, a common virus that causes cold or flu-like symptoms. The first 5 vaccines, those are Covaxin, Covishield, Sputnik, Moderna and Johnson & Johnson's, were approved in India for use in individuals only of 18 years of age and older. Just few days before, on 20th August, India has approved its first vaccine for emergency use in adults and the children aged 12 years and above. The sixth vaccine is ZyCoV-D, the made in India COVID vaccine by Zydus Cadila and approved for the people above 12 years. Ahmedabad-based pharmaceutical company Zydus Cadila manufactured the vaccine ZyCoV-D. It is our country's second indigenously developed vaccine against the novel coronavirus after Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. It has to be administered in 3 doses, with the second and third dose periods being after 28 and 56 days. Although Zydus Cadila is waiting for the approval for giving 2 doses. The trials for this vaccine, that is ZyCoV-D vaccine, was largest in India so far against COVID-19. The process included 28,000 volunteers across 50 pharmaceutical labs or centers in our country, including 1,400 adolescents of 12 to 18 years. It shows more than 66% efficacy among highly infected corona patients and also shows more than 95% efficacy in mildly infected corona patients. Zydus Cadila is on track to apply for COVID-19 vaccine trial in children aged 3 to 12 years. The company's MD Dr. Savil Patel said, indigenously developed ZyCoV-D was granted emergency use authorization, that is UAA, on August 20, 2021, making it the first vaccine to be administered to ages 12 to 18 years in India. Unlike other COVID-19 vaccines available in the market, ZyCoV-D shots are administered painlessly as they are given intradermally and not intramuscular. ZyCoV-D vaccines can be stored easily in normal refrigeration at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. The vaccine to be given in 3 doses, that is 0 day, second is on 28 day, and the third will be on 56th day. The company to price the ZyCoV-D on lines with another COVID-19 vaccines in India, Zydus plans to double the production capacity just after launching the vaccine. It is the India's first indigenously developed DNA vaccine candidate against COVID-19. Now we have to know about the DNA vaccine and its mode of action. ZyCoV-D vaccine is totally different from the other previously mentioned COVID-19 vaccines. It is a DNA vaccine and it is the first DNA vaccine in world manufactured against COVID-19 pandemic. No DNA vaccine has been administered in India in human earlier. DNA vaccines are used in veterinary practices. This ZyCoV-D vaccine is basically a plasmid DNA vaccine. So what happens actually? We know coronavirus has the spike protein. This spike protein can recognize our immune system. Coronavirus has RNA as their genome. Now from genome sequencing data, we can isolate the segment of virus's RNA which can encode the spike protein. Then we will prepare the complementary DNA or cDNA from that particular RNA using the enzyme reverse transcriptase by means of reverse transcription process. Then that specific cDNA will be attached with the plasmid DNA. So we can say that plasmid as a recombinant plasmid. Now this recombinant plasmid will be administered into human body as a vaccine. Entering into our cells, this recombinant plasmid and or the particularly the cDNA will utilize our protein synthesizing machinery to produce spike proteins. Just like other vaccines, these spike proteins will activate our immune system to produce antibodies which are specific for the spike proteins. These antibodies will appear in our bloodstream when further the virus will attack. The already prepared antibodies then target and destroy the spike proteins. So in this way, this vaccine will reduce the chance of infection by the coronavirus. The storage of this vaccine is very much easy. It can be preserved in room temperature 20, that is 25 degrees centigrade, for about 3 months. Zycov D is a needle free vaccine, so it is the first painless vaccine in India. So what should be the process of administration of this vaccine? This vaccine should be given intradermally using an injector. This is the image of an injector, the right side image. Not needle based syringe is used here. As this vaccine is needleless, it shows very minimum side effect and there is low chance of infection. So we can conclude that there are around 12 crore children in the age group of 12 to 18 years in India, and less than 1% of them may have comorbidities. The Department of Biotechnology in India, that is DBT, has said today that when injected Zycov D produces the spike protein of the SARS-CoV-2 virus and it elicits an immune response which plays a pivotal role or vital role in protection from the disease as well as viral infection. This vaccine, that is Zycov D, will be administered intradermally, and the injection will be given just between the dermis and epidermis layer of our skin. This is an overview about approved COVID-19 vaccines in India. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on this video. For the new viewers, do not forget to subscribe my channel if you already have not done so, and press the bell icon to get the notification on the newly released video. Do take care in the pandemic.